Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the delicious and unique world of Korean cuisine. From spicy kimchi to savory bulgogi and colorful bibimbap, Korean food is sure to tantalize your taste buds. So let's dive right in. Segment 1: Kimchi. Kimchi is perhaps the most famous Korean dish. It's a traditional fermented vegetable dish, most commonly made with nopa cabbage and Korean radishes, seasoned with chili pepper, garlic ginger, and salted seafood. Not only is kimchi delicious, but it's also packed with probiotics and vitamins, making it incredibly healthy. Koreans eat kimchi with almost every meal, and there are hundreds of varieties to try. Let's take a look at how kimchi is made. Segment 2: How to make kimchi. To make kimchi, you start by salting the cabbage to remove excess water. Then, you prepare the spicy paste with chili powder, garlic ginger, and fish sauce. Mix the cabbage with the paste, pack it tightly into jars, and let it ferment for a few days to a few weeks, depending on your preference. The result is a tangy, spicy, and slightly sweet dish that complements many Korean meals. It's a bit of a time investment, but the taste is well worth it. Segment 3: Bulgogi. Next up, we have bulgogi, a beloved Korean barbecue dish. Bulgogi means fire meat, and it's made with thinly sliced beef that's marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and pepper. The meat is then grilled or stir-fried to perfection. Bulgogi is usually served with rice and a variety of side dishes or banchan, including kimchi. The marinade gives the beef a rich, savory, and slightly sweet flavor that is absolutely irresistible. Let's see how you can make bulgogi at home. Segment 4: How to make bulgogi. To make bulgogi, start with thinly sliced beef, such as ribeye or sirloin. Prepare the marinade with soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and pepper, and let the beef marinate for at least 30 minutes. Then, cook the beef on a hot grill or pan until it's nicely caramelized and tender. Serve it with steamed rice and your favorite side dishes for a complete Korean meal. It's a quick and easy dish that's sure to impress your family and friends. Segment 5: Bibimbap. Last but not least, we have bibimbap, which translates to mixed rice. This dish is a colorful and nutritious bowl of rice, topped with a variety of vegetables, a fried egg, and often some sliced meat, all mixed together with gochujang, a Korean chili paste. Bibimbap is as beautiful as it is delicious, and it's a great way to use up leftover vegetables. The key is to have a variety of textures and flavors in each bite. Segment 6: How to make bibimbap. To make bibimbap, start with a base of warm rice. Arrange cooked vegetables, such as spinach, carrots, and bean sprouts, on top of the rice. Add some marinated beef if you like, and top it all with a sunny side up egg. Finally, add a spoonful of gochujang and mix everything together before eating. The result is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that's both satisfying and healthy. Bibimbap is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Conclusion. And there you have it. 3 iconic Korean dishes that you can easily make at home. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, these recipes are sure to bring a taste of Korea to your kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!